What is dictating the state of play? Dictating the state of play is using a variety of different shots to take advantage of the current court situation to gain a point against the opponent. In this video, it shows a variety of clips where Lin Dan is playing against Lee Chongwei in the 2011 World Championships. There are many moments where dictating the state of play can be seen and even succeeded using a variety of shots including drop shots, lifts, overhead clears, net shots, and smashes. In this clip, Lee performs a drop shot to the side of the court so that Lin would have to lunge towards the right side of the court. However, Lin is able to return the shot, but so does Lee, and he performs a net shot to the left side of the court. Since Lin didn't return to the center of the court, he wasn't able to return the shot and he lost the point to Lee. Lee made the correct option of dictating the state of play because he drew his opponent to one side and immediately afterwards returns the shuttle towards the opposite side of the court. 30 seconds later, Lee performs a drop shot, which Lin returns by hitting it to the left side of the court to cause Lee to have to lunge towards the front of the court. It is clear how Lin was dictating the state of play because after Lee returns the shot, Lin lifts the shuttlecock to the back of the court to send Lee running to the back of the court. Lee then decides to smash the shuttlecock to the right side of the court, but failed to gain a point as Lin had remembered to return to the center of the court. He then returns the shot with a net shot, which Lee then lifts to the left back of the Lin's court. This was an obvious moment where Lee was dictating the state of play because as his racket made contact with the shuttle, Lin was still in the right front of the court. Even though this is a good choice to make, he still failed as it was a lift that created a lot of time for Lin to get ready for the shot. Lin even managed to smash it to the right side of Lee's court. As the shuttle is about to hit the ground, you can see Lee lunging for the shuttle, but unfortunately, he wasn't able to return the shot due to the way Lin dictating the state of play. As you can see here, it is clear that Lin is dictating the state of play by hitting the shuttle to the appropriate space to gain a point because he smashes the high clear that Lee sent. This is a good choice because, as you can see, it sent Lee lunging. Again, you see that Lin has made another good choice. Lin sent the shuttle to the back of Lee's court, which unfortunately Lee wasn't quick enough to return. Dictating the state of play is important because you need to control the game. In order to control the game, you must use different techniques to make your opponent move. You must use a variety of shots to control the game. From these videos, we can see that dictating the state of play is an advantage when playing against your opponent. It is essential to practice each shot in order to master them so you can dictate the state of play.